don't you read it? Read it out loud. Here, take it.
Dear Aiden, Santa asked me to make a special delivery for him. Today, there was one gift that was too hard to open.
Louder. It was too what?
I don't know. To wait for Christmas. Please take very special part of this gift. Is in your pet's bedroom. I have to get some.
What? What is it? Hold on. Wait. Take your coat off. Take your coat off. What is it, buddy? What is it? Hold on. Wait.
What?
Whoa! Aiden! Come here!
I saw this dog before, I think. I saw this at the shelter.
You did?
Yeah. Hi. I remember you.
What is it?
A dog.
Santa Claus brought you a dog.
I forgot her name though.
Lindy.
No, her name is Linda.
Oh, it's Lindy.